with a special edition of the weather coverage. As we can see here, there's a tornado warning just north of Amarillo, Texas. Looks
Okay, you should be able to
looks
hear that one.
it looks it looks like there's a pretty intense velocity coupled there, but there may be some. Not sure whether that's
and click on the picture you want, and it should unlock it for you.
Sorry guys about the background noise. There's still, I'm not sure if that's interference or not. We can back up a few frames and see if we can verify that. Let's see here.
Tank is probably best.
Again, that tornado warning is in effect for 18 more minutes.
Yep.
Okay, so oh wow. Latest scan, very intense couplet there. That area there is where the tornado would be if there is a tornado. I'm not sure if the tornado has been confirmed. Let me check in with that here quickly. If my doc will show up. There we go.
Wait, why'd you spend them?
Let's see here.
Oh, you have two kits now?
Only been one tornado report today, actually, and
oh, well, I can't turn back then.
I don't know.
Okay,
wait, sorry. Tornado is on. I can't tell if it's on the ground.
I know. What should have happened is
sorry guys, I'm trying to get some information as to whether or not it is indeed on the ground. I don't think it is on the ground.
Wait.
Looks like I'm watching a Periscope stream of it. Looks like there is
Stay right there. Can you share screen with me?
There is some wall cloud action, but other than that, not much. This storm is also producing hail up to 1.75 inches in. That's really interesting, actually. That thing's really rotating. If we watch this area here, it looks like it wraps around the entire storm, and all the lightning on this is just ridiculous as well. Surprised this part's not severe warned. Really surprising, actually. Look at that thing spin. Wow. That's some intense rotation, if not a tornado now. So this corresponds.
Now, try clicking on the diamond template.
To that area there, as we can see. So, yeah.
Do anything?
How long is this tornado warning for? Oh, that's why it's not working. The tornado warning is in effect for 16 more minutes for Amarillo area, just north of you. Let's see here.
What is the blaze right?
Trying to see, trying to get information on the tornado, if there is one.
Ooh, this is cool. I didn't even know this was a thing. Yeah. Then I'll try and pitch it.
We'll continue to watch this storm as it can. Wait, when is this from? 7:55 p.m. Okay, 7:50. Good lord. So there's it looks like there's a really intense area of rotation, velocities here. So there definitely,
click on the anvil again.
Definitely could be a tornado on the ground right now. I would not be surprised if there is a tornado. Let me see here.
Oh, click kit unlocker. That's what it is. In number 9. Oh, okay. That's cool.
Just gonna tweet this out quick.
Ooh, that's a good kit. That's a good kit. I accidentally gave you 4, but that's fine. Just use all 4. That one's pretty good. Do another one.
Oops.
I never knew this worked. That's actually really cool.
I'm gonna try to get more information as to whether or not this is on the ground. As soon as that sends, waiting for the tweet to send. It's probably not gonna send. Okay. Just gonna screenshot it then.
Ooh, that one's pretty good. Have you gotten the tank one yet? Okay, let me give you enough for the tank one because I want to do a fight tank. Admin. Only spend this on the tank one.
Let's see here.
Yep, you should have 1500. So use the take one then. Does the take work? Okay. Yeah. Do take.
Cannot. I don't see that.
Okay, let's go.
I do not see that tornado's confirmed. So that rotation looks less
What?
tight now, but there's still definitely some rotation on that. So
Hard?
this storm remains very dangerous. If you're in the path of this, you need to get underground now. Yes.
Yeah.
There's also a severe warning in
I am happy. Look at this. Yeah, look.
South Dakota here, I believe this is, which surprised that's not tornado warned actually. Possibly could go tornado warned. Although, yeah, I don't know.
Like, no one can read this.
It's in a very linear segment here.
Stay up there for a sec.
The severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for about 45 more minutes as the storm move east. Move east? I don't know what I'm saying here.
And also watch this. You see these blots? Look down.
Come on.
Stop sharing screens if you want, because I'm trying to lag in.
I just updated the warning. Let's see what they said.
I'm fighting ninja. Oh, I broke his. He's dead.
There has been a funnel cloud reported, along with, oh my god, why is the stream not working? Along with, golf ball-sized hail has been reported as well.
Yeah, isn't that cool? That's what that pit does. Arnold! Dude, isn't that, like, cool how the PvP
Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I am lagging out
isn't it
here.
actually, like, more fun than just regular
Most
PvP
likely
because you
because
don't
of...
have perks and stuff?
Okay, come on. Come on.
Okay. I got chicks for flying. Hey, Isaac.
Oh, sorry, guys. I was muted there. My bad.
Oh, my bad. I forgot to turn killer off.
YouTube's broken right now for me, so I'm just going to go back to radar scope. Oh, there is indeed a tornado warning on this storm now. Looks like the rotation is weekend, but looks like the largest town on the path is Parmley. Let's check back in with the southern storm. Before that, this tornado warning remains in effect for... Oh my god, I don't want the spotter. 25 more minutes. Let's check back in with the storm north of Amarillo.
Oh shoot, I have auto soup on. One sec. Try and hit super fast.
Wow, that's some really intense rotation.
Turn it off. Let me find where it is.
Sorry guys about the lag you're probably experiencing. Hopefully this is working. There's some really intense rotation on this now. I would not be surprised if there's a tornado right now.
Yeah.
We can check in with our correlation coefficient to see if there's any debris. which could tell us there might be a tornado. So that'll be right here in the area. Not looking very telling right now, but we'll see. I would not be surprised if there is a tornado on the ground in that area right now. So anybody, oh my goodness, wow, it's just swinging around. So anybody northeast of Amarillo or just straight north, you need to be underground if you're in this tornado warning. It's a very dangerous situation right now. So watch that. That storm is to be watched closely as we move forward. So that's a very dangerous storm. Everybody needs to be underground in the path of that. Sorry guys, I'm just working on this here. So that's a really intense band rotation. I believe this storm northwest of Sanford may also go tornado warned. We'll have to watch that. That looks like some pretty intense rotation as well. It's not like obvious on reflectivity though. Wow, this stuff just exploded. I'm shocked that's not severe warned. They must see something I don't. This rotation looks to have dissipated slightly in the last scan, but it's still to be taken seriously. This rotation also looks to be very strong here. That's going to need to be watched. There's a lot of lightning on this storm as well, which could signify a strong updraft. So, yeah. So we'll keep watching that. I believe it just went warned, actually. Let's see here.
Do you want to see something cool?
Yes, it did just go tornado warned.
What?
Which is funny, just that it probably would.
Oh.
So that one's is now tornado warned. Also, along with that storm, there's hail up to 1.75 inches in diameter. This storm remains tornado warned as well. The northern storm, including Moore County, Texas, is warned for the next 22 minutes up until 8:30 p.m. As you can see, there's the red box that pops up with that. I'm going to turn off lightning because that's kind of getting a little annoying there. So that is most likely, I would almost say that's probably producing a tornado right now. So that you got to watch out for that. Let's check in. Scans down there. Let's go back to our northern tornado warned storm up here. Wow, that's impressive. I would not be surprised to see a tornado on the ground with that as well. So in the path of this storm up here, I think they extended the tornado warning. Possibly, not sure though. That storm is also extremely dangerous, so Parmalee gonna want to be starting to get to a safe place here. Yeah, so this is the area where any tornado would be. It's kind of covered up in radars, just muck right now. Doesn't look like there'd be a tornado on radar, but we'll see. Just looking at the base reflectivity. Let's go back down to our twin Texas tornado warnings. I'm sorry I said that. Alliteration, guys. This rotation looks to have weakened slightly, but still very dangerous storm. It needs to be watched. Tornado warning is in effect for the next 5 minutes. As we head to the northern storm now, tornado warning is in effect for the next 20 minutes, and this rotation remains very strong. So that's definitely something that we need to watch here.
Does I have region on? I'm invincible. Where are you?
There may have been I'm getting reports in now. There may have been a tornado on the southern storm. We are not 100% sure, but Storm Chaser reported that there may have been a tornado on the southern storm.
Okay, sorry, it's so fun.
I apologize for the humming of the Jurassic Park theme in the background. What just happened? So yes, that rotation looks to have weakened slightly, but is still definitely something to be watched. Looks like these storms are gradually weakening. As we head back up to the northern storm, looks like we got a spotter on it now. Definitely could be a tornado up in there. Mainly, I'm not actually sure where the tornado would be right there, but it's definitely something to watch.
Wait, let me at least turn off my hat.
So, yeah, definitely want to watch that. Let's head back down to the Texas storms. So, I would not be surprised to see a tornado report coming out of that area. Yeah. Probably gonna go eat some dinner right now. I'm pretty dang hungry.
Yeah.
I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it.
Look, Ninja's right there. Yeah.
And I'll see you guys next time. Everybody stay safe out there.
I'll give you one of those ring.
And make sure to have a way to get warnings and stuff.